While everyone panics about AI taking jobs, 40-plus professionals are quietly landing the highest-paying AI roles. The reason will shock you, and it's not what you think. Here's what's happening. Companies are hiring young AI experts who can prompt ChatGPT but panic when AI gives the wrong answer. Millions are wasted on AI tools that sit unused because no one knows how to implement them strategically. But you've managed tech rollouts that failed. You've seen promising tools become expensive mistakes. You know the difference between a shiny new feature and actual business value. That's not just experience. That's exactly what AI-powered companies desperately need. 3 reasons 40-plus will dominate. Reason 1. You know when AI is wrong. Young professionals trust AI blindly. You question everything. When AI suggests a marketing campaign that violates privacy laws or recommends firing half the sales team, you catch it. Companies are learning this lesson the expensive way. Reason 2. You understand implementation risk. You've seen CRM implementations fail, marketing automation projects go over budget, and revolutionary tools gather dust. You know how to roll out AI without destroying productivity or morale. Reason 3. You can manage AI-human teams. The future isn't humans versus AI, it's humans with AI. You know how to manage people through change, train teams on new tools, and keep productivity high during transitions. That's leadership, not just technical skills. Sarah, 47, became AI implementation manager at $135,000, not because she codes, but because she prevents costly mistakes. Mike, 52, leads AI strategy at $145,000 because he gets teams to actually use new tools. The highest paying AI jobs aren't for programmers. They're for strategic thinkers who can make AI work in the real world. You now know which industries are hiring 40+, how to position your experience, and how to nail the interview. But most importantly, you know your age isn't a disadvantage. It's your competitive edge in the AI economy. Grab your complete Western job market report below. No email required. Subscribe for more career transformation strategies. And remember, while others fear the future, you're built to lead it. Your experience isn't outdated. It's exactly what the AI world needs.